All right, y'all, what's going on? What's popping? Good morning. Welcome to Powerstrokerick's YouTube channel. We are at T-Force Freight UPS out in the area that I live in, and we are picking up the new wheels and tires for the blue truck because I'm impatient. I couldn't wait for them to deliver them, so I said, hey, I'm gonna come to y'all because I'm about 15 minutes, so we're about to load these bad Jerry's up, man. I'm very excited, so we're gonna do a whole reveal here. It's gonna look good. It's gonna be like a sore dick. I'm not gonna be able to beat it, hopefully. So yeah, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and let's fucking get after it, y'all. Guys, look at this. Holy shit. These are the old stockies. Goddamn, this bitch is gonna be fucking tall, man. Yep. You ever wanna know how to unload tires? Right here, motorcycle ramp. That's the best way. All right, y'all, they're going down. Yeah. Ah, they don't spin. I'm too cheap. All right, y'all, I am beyond thrilled, beyond fired up. So I like my women with a nice ass on them. Look at that juicy booty, son. Son? Anyway, guys, the setup we are rocking on the blue truck now. I had the 24x14 Extreme Forces on before with 375x40x24 Aturo Trail Blade Bosses. Had them for about 4 years. Awesome setup. Had to go wider. So we are rocking the KG1 forged 26x16 Knox. These are the Knox. KG1 forged Knox. That's the type they are. And then we have the 38x15.50 amp MTs, man. That is like a Sore Johnson. I was definitely a little nervous with how it was gonna look when I lifted it because I couldn't really tell off the stock wheels, you know, but she's definitely gonna rub. Definitely gonna rub when she's lonely, but that's all right, man. Look how thick that boy is. Oh my Lord. Have mercy. Got the front end all dialed in. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. Man, this thing is cheeched up, man. Look at this. Also, 2-inch far from stock spacers. So we got 16 wads with 2-inch spacers on them with a full 8.5-inch PMF lift kit. God damn. We're gonna go drive around. We're gonna do a little test drive.